This new Welding Technology Center at Southeast Community College is kind of a one-of-a-kind in the country. We've set a new bar, we set a new standard for what modern technical training should be.
From an enrollment standpoint, the Welding Technology Center is allowing us access to bring in more students to provide the skills and the training to put out more students in the welding field.
To move into this place, which is 100,000 square feet, 196 welding booths, pretty exciting.
We have locker space for 370 some students. We are full for 14 instructors, probably just in excess of 250 full-time people.
90 welding booths on the east side, 90 booths on the west side. Most of them are set up to do multiple processes.
It's pretty significant when you have a state-of-the-art facility, and we think we're the largest of its kind in the country.
One thing that I always think is interesting when people walk into here for the first time, they say, "Where's everybody at?" So if you stand in this commons area, it's quiet, it's clean, and you'd never know that on the other side of this wall, there's 150 people welding and fabricating. And so we did a very good job of separating those spaces. Centralized locker area, a gear up space where the students can come in, they get their safety gear on, and then they can disperse into one of our two labs. Most of those booths, they could stick weld in there. They could do wire feed welding in there. They could do flux core welding in there. And so when we built this, it was important that we didn't make a bunch of booths that only did one thing.
In any theory class, in any welding class that you have that has theory in it, it's 95% welding, 5% theory. All the instructors here really want you to be in there welding, figuring out what you want to do.
What surprises students the most when they start the welding program is that they can do it. They might have been told in high school that they couldn't do something, and they come here and they're like, wow, I really can do this.
When I first walked into the Welding Center this summer, it was like a whole new world. It was walking into a dream. You get to do quite literally anything that you want. It's built to get you to find out what you truly want to do. This is the class that you test your limits and see what industry you fully want to go into.
That's what keeps pushing us to keep going forward and making things better, is that excitement and hearing a student say, they got it. The biggest barrier is the time commitment. It's being able to provide for your family, work full time, as well as bettering yourself and going to college and maybe learning a new trade or maybe doing something different than you previously had done.
Welders are in shortage all over the country, and I believe it's estimated that we need 82,000 welders a year just to maintain what we have, let alone growth. If an industry person calls up and says, I've got 10 people that I'd like to do some basic training with, we can answer that call. We'll develop a customized course for them, meet their objectives of what their company's trying to do.
There's not a day that goes by that I am not up on the second floor, walking around, talking to the students. They're interacting with each other. They're having lunch together. That makes me excited because that's all part of that student experience. Around the state of Nebraska, their industry is looking for more and more welders.
The pace of change just keeps accelerating, and so it's going to be a lifelong learning process. Now automated equipment, is becoming so advanced. Manufacturing's changing, and we have to use technology. We now are able to supply at least twice as many qualified technical welders than we could before.